Well, hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. How y'all doing? Look way down there at the end of the runway. Coming at us is a plane that probably does not need any introduction, on my channel at least. Of course it, whoa. It is, just so you know, winds out of the southwest right now. And so kind of puts across the runway, but a little windy, little bit windy. All right, anyways, this is the, in case you don't recognize this plane, this is the E-flite Timber Turbo Evolution. I've got her in, let's see, what have I got her in? I got her going backwards. Hold on. I wonder. Okay. Right, left, up, down. Huh. Oh, I don't have all the audio problems. That's why.
Landing flaps.
Oh, yeah, I do.
Takeoff flaps.
All right. There we go.
Flaps up.
Well, anyways, that is the Turbo Timber Evolution. Very windy today,
Landing flaps.
so it's a perfect day to practice windsurfing. Which all that is I'm almost flying backwards.
Flaps up.
All that is, I put her into the wind, and I put them big old flaps all the way down.
Time remaining 5 minutes.
And she just almost holds still. Sorry about the sun. All right.
Landing flaps.
Yeah. Coming right at me here. Can just about catch her at this speed. Of course, the prop's coming right at me, so I don't want to be, cut myself. But this is an example of fun that you can have with the wind.
Flaps up.
All right. Fun that you can have with the wind. All right. A little knife edge here.
Time remaining 4 minutes. Landing flaps. Flaps up.
Yeah. Fun that you can have in the wind. All right. I got to get rid of all that buzzing, that beeping sound. Well, there you go, folks. Just a quick little flight just to show you the fun you can have in the wind. Don't be afraid of the wind. Just make sure that you've got a plane that you're very comfortable with, confident with, you know how she reacts, and you have just a plane, like I say, that you're very, very confident with. All right, folks. Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. Don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and then planes. Bye, y'all.